of the house. Let's go outside. Oh, Tammy and India are leaving. I'm going to film the front of the house. So, it's actually really cute. I haven't even seen it in the daylight. This is the front. Really cute. The grass. I feel like I'll kind of show you inside, but people are still asleep, so
Yeah.
it ain't good. It ain't good. I'll show a better house tour when everyone's awake. It's very early, so don't judge me. Me and Hayley are gonna make. No, I really don't. Basically, we're making brekkie for everyone. Let's.
I know, okay. Until I get my nose job, I don't want anyone to talk about Miss Louise.
Yeah, no, the bottom are like burnt, but we're just like not telling anyone. We all look really good in the morning.
And I'm making coffees with the coffee machine.
Oh yeah, Lauren's on coffee duty. Okay. Welcome. Alright, when you come in from the door, we have the garage. Wait, help me tour this house.
A little room, like a cute little living space.
Yeah, that's where we just chill. This is so messy. Probably should film this earlier, but that's one bed room. This is where me and Carly slept. Another bedroom. Leanne's room.
No, I know like this, really like that, and then you come in trying to be funny. Welcome to my crib.
Welcome.
This is Abby.
This is the rest of the girls. Hello. This is the bathroom. You just stacked.
It's fine.
Oh my god, that was funny.
Okay.
Hayley, yeah, we could have water off. Why would you leave it running?
Laundry.
You were John.
This is the master bedroom. My mum's like in there right now, so we won't film that. That's the dining. Lounge room 1. Let's go in the backyard. This is the backyard. I haven't even been out here. What the hell?
It's so broke.
Okay, welcome to gymnastics club. Yes. Fuck.
Let's do morning yoga.
So the backyard's actually really nice. The grass is dry. Okay, this is the backyard.
No, again, this one.
Oh yeah. Okay, the side of the house. Oh, we won't from down there. Okay, awkward. Okay, back to this lounge room.
Oh, that was scary.
Then we have this outside area. When you walk in, kitchen, Lauren doing dishes. The second lounge room, where people slept down here. And then you're back at the house. The front door. Okay, Imi and Jade, where are ya? They've arrived, so the whole squad is here. Besides, I just touched your foot. Besides, Tamika and Indigo. That was me trying to put on an Australian accent. I full can't talk Australian.
Tamika was saying. Yeah, I thought Tamika was
I think she ended up going because she didn't want like Indy to be by herself on the train. Okay, so today we've had breakfast as fuck Abby, you were holding my thing up. Oh, Hayley, sorry. We've had breakfast. Now for the rest of the day we're going to Are you okay? Oh my god, that's so There's literally one mirror in this house. Oh. Hot boys on YouTube.
No, I'm not joking. We actually are.
Do you like him? Did you show us?
Yeah.
So right now, we just got off the bus.
He looks
We
so
are
hot
at
there.
a place called Blue Grotto.
Currently,
I'll try and get in.
oh my fucking god, the lighting. Woo. Beach, get out, get some flicks with my trusty disposable. You know how David Dobrik has a disposable account?
Yeah.
I kind of want to make my own.
Who's doing it?
Katie's disposable.
Yeah, I don't know.
Emmy just asked who David Dobrik is, and I'm a bit.
Oh, he doesn't know either.
Fucking, you need to watch, and Todd's mine. And Jeff.
Oh my god, Jeff's backing me up. I appreciate it.
The beach. We went to the first ice cream shop and it was closed, so now we are walking to the second ice cream shop. This is where we're going for dinner. It's a great time. I actually don't think there's 2 cars in this trip, and I feel like the other car got lost getting to the ice cream shop.
I think they went to the other ice cream.
So
No, they're there.
oh, they're here. Oh, they full bet us here. Okay, that's awkward. Ice cream first. Abby is going in. All eating our ice.
You know, I'm passion fruit. You know.
Bubblegum and cookies and cream.
You didn't get
Nothing.
one?
She's lactose intolerant, but every time we go to an ice cream shop or there's milkshakes, she kind of forgets. And she just suffers anyway, so the toilet's not going to smell now. I'm kidding.
2 words, don't use the toilet after Holly's been in there. 2 words.
2 words,
like
fuck off.
Would you try passion fruit?
Sure. I don't think I've ever had a passion fruit before.
Really?
Me and Jade just went into a vegan shop and got a vegan.
I think it's like cinnamon coconut.
I don't even like cinnamon, but let's give this a try.
Alright, so how do you want me to do it?
Okay.
Is anyone buckling up?
Okay, it's very squishy.
Oh, it's like crumbling.
Alright, do you want to try?
We'll do it at the same time.
Ready? Something else. It's not very good.
What the fuck is
It's really weird.
What the fuck is in my mouth? That is disgusting.
No, if it's bad.
It's,
It's like, oh my god.
Jade, continue saying it.
No,
I want to see if it grows on me.
no, it's really bad. It tastes like I'm eating like, oh.
So a bit of cookie dough to wash it down?
No, I need to vomit.
Like thoughts?
I got absolutely nothing.
It tastes like.
No, I hate it so much because I got cinnamon. So I need like a bag or something.
I want the rest.
No.
No.
Really, you couldn't even swallow that?
Really sorry. I'm sorry,
I can't
vegan.
even swallow this.
No, we like shit like that. We like vegan stuff. But that was disgusting.
That was like the biggest waste of $4 I've ever spent.
Look, we tried. We tried to save the animals.
Well, yeah, we gave it a go. I feel like peanut butter cup next time.
Definitely. Pay the extra $2.
Yeah, if I wasn't so stingy.
Well, it's your money, so
Well,
maybe I wasn't so stingy. But okay, we are now going to the outlets to buy some
Tops in there. There's like really cute.
look, there's a
to buy some
outlet.
clothes. Oh, that guy's not hot. I thought he was.
And this is the Gander
Beach
Factory outlet.
I like Gander and Factory.
$5 t-shirts, everyone.
Is that what's that?
Gander.
Oh, I
Oh,
love
yes.
Gander.
I want to get some cheap tops.
Oh my god, I'm going to Gander. Park. I'm running.
Wait, where'd you get that?
Are you gonna buy them? I'm gonna buy some pink roller skates.
Carly, you can get the purple. Just
I want
black or the green.
Like, I'm not kidding.
Do you want to go to the Skater Boys?
I'm actually not kidding.
I think they're bad Skater Boys.
I didn't get it.
I actually really want to wear it. It's actually nice.
Abby's.
Legit vibes.
Do you want to show your top?
Yeah.
It's legit nice.
35.46.
We went to the supermarket and bought some lunch, and now. Why?
Because there's just winning against Carlton.
Oh, there's the rest of the. Oh, we're still missing Jade. Where's Jade?
Jade and Haley.
That's so random. Okay, just did our little bum workout. We feel way better.
Dead.
We've been feeling so fat because I at least do.
Yeah.
Jade only got here
Same.
today, and she feels shit from all the bad food. Because Jade eat pretty good.
We try to.
We try to eat pretty good, and you weren't even here yesterday for that lolly table, and I feel disgusting. So,
But it's fine because we made up for it.
yeah,
Burnt off the ice cream.
yeah.
Okay, Palm night.
Bye! So all the girls have gotten ready. I just got shown my cake that Carly bought me. They surprised me with the cake and I absolutely love it. I'll show you. It's so cute. So we are currently walking to dinner We've got half the squad and half the squad is back. Down.
Half the squad's fucked. They're gonna get lost.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We took all the Smart Squad members. So now
Except Abby.
the restaurant doesn't have our booking.
Bit scared.
That's really awkward.
Bit scared.
Yeah. It's fine.
Just sitting here.
How are you feeling?
Knackers maybe.
I want a Palmer. And that. Hey, we're at dinner.
And security just went running into the gaming room. Like something's going down.
Happened. The rest of the girls are coming. So
They probably
yeah.
tried to walk through
I
there.
have my
and they're like,
little disposable and I'm ready for.
Happy birthday to you.
don't like that.
16!
Oh no. Lance had.
We're just chilling at the restaurant now. I'm really. Who's that?
Wow, I can't say it on video.
Okay, wait. We're getting some gossip. Just wait one sec.
Hey.
There's a fight. Oh no. We're walking home. We just got hit on by old people.
And it's like Abby called them.
It's fucking freezing. We've been pedophilia.
Want a man like me? Oh my
Yes.
god, 21-year-olds. I'm like, no, I'm 15. No, legit, they were making jokes like, oh yeah, the blonde girl at the back. And I'm like, oh yeah, that blonde girl at the back. Hey. Hey, me.
It's leaving day, so I have to wake everyone up. Are they up here, over here? Wake up, girls. Oh, that was an American accent. Yeah.
It's funny. Last night, you know when like someone's on a chopping board and they go cha?
Yeah.
We heard that 2 big ones like, in a row in the house, and then we started like freaking out.
Hey, Haley. Wake up. We like expose her and she's like naked. I'm packing the van right now. We're about to leave, Ashley. Fuck, I need to get down. Where is that gonna go? Let's put that like there, okay.
Thanks, Katie.
That's okay.
Vlog, Katie's rich.
Shut up.
She paid for all this house herself.
Yeah, I did.
And she paid herself a trip to go to oh my god.
Thank you, Craig. I'll put
I don't
it in
open
the
this.
fridge,
Okay.
and then you can come and grab it. Otherwise,
Thank you.
Leanne, have a open the food.
You.
I need to put my towels in there. Just
You're in the middle.
you're actually
Get in.
I'm joking right now. I'm legit not mate.
Bye. So it's breakfast time. I'm not even hungry, but the other girls are going to get McDonald's for breakfast. I look actually a bit scary right now. Haley looks good, but it's fine. We've all had like 5 hours of sleep, 4 hours of sleep. Okay. I got their Macca's. It's a great time. Carly's eating her strawberries because she's vegan. I'm kidding. Oh, Haley's literally in her bra, but we're on the way to. We're going to the footy. Lauren's doing her makeup in the car. She's literally doing her eyebrows, and it's so bumpy. So that's a bit stressful. Yeah, it is. Fuck, I don't know how she's doing this right now. Yeah, Emmy, Ashley. It's a good time. We've had some Maccas, had some fruit. We're chilling. Got my disposable. I don't know where I'm going with this. Okay, you can't even see me because my camera is actually fucked. But we just sprinted in the rain for like a good kilometer. Like we were just at the footy, watching the footy.
look at my hair.
We literally are soaked. This is horrible. I look appalling. Emmy's just chilling in her.
Oh,
Fuck this.
I
Fuck.
haven't even got to turn the cold water tap
Oh,
on.
me either. This is so bad. But thank you all for watching my birthday vlog. Subscribe and like and yeah. Goodbye.